In this video, we'll explore over 300 stunning modern living room ideas. From luxury TV walls to multifunctional furniture, bold statement colors to calming minimalist palettes. Whether you want a cozy setup, a tech-inspired lounge, or a bold luxury look, you'll find endless inspiration here. So let's dive in and start with our first 100 modern living room design ideas. 1 sleek marble TV wall. 2 floating wooden media console. 3 built-in bookshelves around TV. 4 LED backlit TV wall panels. 5 concrete finish accent wall. 6 large format tiles for TV wall. 7 black and white contrast living room. 8 minimalist Scandinavian design. 9 Japandi style interiors. 10 velvet sofas in jewel tones. 11 neutral beige palette. 12 smart glass coffee tables. 13 indoor plants and sculptural pots. 14 floor-to-ceiling windows. 15 minimalist floating TV unit. 16 fireplace plus TV wall combo. 17 geometric wall panels. 18 textured 3D wallpaper behind TV. 19 modular sectional sofas. 20 circular coffee tables. 21 leather recliners with smart features. 22 hidden storage ottomans. 23 boho chic living room. 24 smart ambient lighting. 25 luxury wall mirrors. 26 gold accent details. 27 floor cushions and poofs. 28 stone cladding TV wall. 29 dual-tone sofa sets. 30 frameless glass partitions. 31 open shelf display units. 32 oversized abstract art. 33 minimal ceiling fans with lights. 34 hanging bubble chairs. 35 woven rattan accent chairs. 36 industrial-style living room. 37 luxurious high-pile carpets. 38 wall-to-wall TV units. 39 minimal matte black decor. 40 curved sofas. 41 neon accent lights. 42 minimalist hidden TV. 43 smart voice-controlled curtains. 44 natural wood accent wall. 45 frameless TV screens. 46 gallery wall TV surround. 47 neutral gray palette. 48 open concept layouts. 49 statement chandeliers. 52 layered rugs. 51 pop of color armchairs. 52 built-in floating shelves. 53 exposed brick walls. 54 smart projector TV setup. 55 minimal white interiors. 56 coffee tables with hidden storage. 57 textured stone flooring. 58 multi-level ceiling lighting. 59 futuristic LED strips and floors. 60 artistic wall murals. 61 floating staircase integration. 62 minimal TV frames. 63 color-blocked walls. 64 interactive smart lighting. 65 oversized floor lamps. 66 built-in aquarium walls. 67 textured ceiling panels. 68 smart reclining sofas. 69 neutral plus bold accent mix. 70 metallic wall panels. 71 cozy reading corners. 72 minimal sliding doors. 73 terrazzo coffee tables. 74 integrated charging stations. 75 oversized sectional sofas. 76 smart frame TVs. 77 luxe wall fabrics. 78 artistic pendant lights. 79 floor-to-ceiling bookshelves. 80 natural stone coffee tables. 81 oversized cushions. 82 smart home hubs. 83 wood plus glass combination walls. 84 muted pastel living rooms. 85 open fireplace designs. 86 minimal hidden storage walls. 87 oversized digital wall clocks. 88 vertical wall gardens. 89 floating media racks. 90 marble coffee tables. 91 bold striped rugs. 92 wall niches with spotlights. 93 oversized windows with minimal frames. 94 multi-texture layering. 95 smart art frames. 96 minimal sectional rugs. 97 glass coffee tables. 98 sleek sideboards. 99 geometric rugs. 100 custom built-in TV walls. 101 hidden door TV walls. 102 multifunctional sofas. 103 exposed ceiling beams. 104 smart glass walls. 105 wall-mounted fireplaces. 106 accent ceiling colors. 107 symmetrical furniture layouts. 108 minimal floor lamps with smart control. 109 decorative partition screens. 110 bold terrazzo accent walls. 111 circular sofas. 112 built-in display cabinets. 113 two-sided fireplaces. 114 futuristic curved TVs. 115 open concept shelving. 116 layered sheer curtains. 117 bold wall panel patterns. 118 minimalist stone benches. 119 waterfall edge coffee tables. 120 built-in sound systems. 121 futuristic ceiling fans. 122 color-washed accent walls. 123 raised platform seating. 124 oversized planters. 125 textured fabric sofas. 126 transparent acrylic furniture. 127 sunken living rooms. 128 minimal ceiling track lighting. 129 built-in wine racks. 130 oversized wall art panels. 131 decorative ceiling medallions. 132 black framed glass partitions. 133 multi-purpose benches. 134 metallic accent paints. 135 smart thermostat displays. 136 double-sided sofas. 137 wall niches with wood backdrops. 138 sculptural coffee tables. 139 muted monochrome rooms. 140 built-in aquarium coffee table. 141 oversized pendant orbs. 142 arched wall niches. 143 brick effect wallpaper. 144 suspended ceiling panels. 145 asymmetrical layouts. 146 carved wooden accent walls. 147 smart recliners with cooling. 148 oversized industrial fans. 149 recessed TV wall mounts. 150 layered wood slat walls. 151 light-up floating shelves. 152 minimal stone flooring. 153 split-level living room. 154 indoor fire pit tables. 155 metallic ceiling panels. 156 smart coffee tables with fridge. 157 double-layered drapes. 158 integrated charging sofas. 159 color-changing LED carpets. 160 floor-to-ceiling bookshelves. 161 muted terracotta interiors. 162 transparent floating staircases. 163 metallic epoxy flooring. 164 floating fireplace units. 165 neon furniture accents. 166 circular wall niches. 167 minimal hidden curtains. 168 large minimal rugs. 169 mixed material coffee tables. 170 water-inspired wall murals. 171 oversized sectional ottomans. 172 smart light projection walls. 173 dark moody interiors. 174 glass partition with curtains. 175 freestanding fireplaces. 176 wall-mounted floating desks. 177 layered ceiling fans plus lights. 178 bold checkerboard rugs. 179 indoor mini fountains. 180 dual-color walls. 181 oversized wooden beams. 182 minimal black and gold palette. 183 3D printed furniture. 184 glass brick walls. 185 built-in wall sofas. 186 oversized drum pendant lights. 187 minimal bamboo accents. 188 interactive smart screens. 189 curved partition walls. 190 metallic sculptural decor. 191 customizable modular rugs. 192 indoor swing chairs. 193 concrete coffee tables. 194 pastel pop interiors. 195 oversized globe chandeliers. 196 textured velvet sofas. 197 minimal sliding TV panels. 198 muted green palettes. 199 dual fireplace plus TV walls. 200 floating ceiling beams with LEDs. 201 suspended rope partitions. 202 mirrored coffee tables. 203 dual-tone curtains. 204 oversized abstract sculptures. 205 smart voice-controlled lighting. 206 geometric wall panels. 207 transparent fireplaces. 208 artistic wall graffiti. 209 muted beige and cream interiors. 210 oversized linear chandeliers. 211 built-in gaming stations. 212 soft pastel rugs. 213 bold ceiling wallpapers. 214 concrete accent walls. 215 oversized sectional sofas. 216 layered wooden ceilings. 217 sculptural floor mirrors. 218 futuristic holographic displays. 219 color-coordinated bookshelves. 220 rattan accent chairs. 221 floating media consoles. 222 artistic ceiling cutouts. 223 luxe faux fur rugs. 224 indoor garden walls. 225 layered stone accent walls. 226 oversized drum floor lamps. 227 double-layer rugs. 228 natural clay walls. 229 multi-purpose ottomans. 230 custom floating stairs. 231 ultra-low sofas. 232 metallic wallpaper accents. 233 interactive projection ceilings. 234 textured brick panels. 235 mixed seating layouts. 236 marble TV walls. 237 curved wood panels. 238 oversized circular rugs. 239 transparent divider curtains. 240 built-in bar corners. 241 textured ceiling paints. 242 hidden storage panels. 243 indoor skylights. 244 abstract metal wall decor. 245 tiered coffee tables. 246 futuristic transparent TVs. 247 interactive floor tiles. 248 oversized wooden slab tables, 249 custom neon signs, 250 built-in daybeds, 251 industrial loft lighting, 252 minimal white-on-white interiors, 253 ceiling fans with integrated lights, 254 multi-panel wall murals, 255 modular wall storage, 256 oversized hanging lanterns, 257 metallic edged furniture, 258 large corner sofas, 259 acoustic panel walls, 260 earthy jute rugs, 261 smart windows with shades, 262 circular ceiling cutouts, 263 rustic cabin-style beams, 264 multicolored LED TV backlighting, 265 large-scale wall clocks, 266 interactive gaming coffee tables, 267 sculptural wooden chairs, 268 glass wall extensions, 269 floating glass shelves, 270 mixed-tone wood floors, 271 oversized velvet poofs, 272 nature-inspired wall murals, 273 multi-layered coffee tables, 274 accent rope lighting, 275 sculptural ceiling fans, 276 large indoor trees, 277 oversized geometric rugs, 278 dual-zone living rooms, 279 metallic accent ceilings, 280 wall-mounted folding desks, 281 frameless sliding doors, 282 interactive LED ceilings, 283 bold animal print rugs, 284 floating indoor bridges, 285 circular built-in sofas, 286 sculptural stone fireplaces, 287 oversized wicker chairs, 288 bold ombre walls, 289 transparent dome skylights, 290 mixed marble tabletops, 291 floating reading nooks, 292 interactive wall art frames, 293 oversized monolithic sofas, 294 organic curved rugs, 295 hidden projector screens, 296 light-up wall panels, 297 oversized terracotta pots, 298 dual-function room dividers, 299 ceiling-mounted hammocks, 300 mixed-material accent walls. And that wraps up our list of 300-plus modern living room ideas for 2026, from stylish TV walls to cozy seating, smart lighting, flooring, and more. Remember, even one or two updates can completely transform your living room into a modern masterpiece. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design inspiration and 2026 trends. Thanks for watching.